chicken salami roll. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Rupa here. I'm going to show you a roll which is made of tortillas, and I'm going to use a chicken salami in it. So it's a chicken salami roll. Again, a very easy recipe, a very quick one, and a nice one to have it when you're on a go or in a hurry. So let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. We are having about 4 tortillas. You can even use a normal chapati or a leftover paratha. They're already pre-cooked, so you don't have to warm them. I'm using the cold ones only. Slices of chicken salami, 2 tomatoes which are sliced, some lettuce, 1 onion which is again sliced into thin rounds, few olives, gherkins which are sliced, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard paste, pepper for taste and salt for taste. So again, not much to do. Just take a tortilla and just apply the tomato ketchup, apply the mayonnaise, apply the mustard, place the salami slices, add the tomato, some onion, tear the lettuce. See that you're putting all on one side because it's easier to roll. Some olives, cut them because they're easier. Some pickles, I prefer to use my hand, some pepper powder and some salt for seasoning. Hold it tight and very delicately roll it. Take a foil, and roll it. The salami rolls are ready. You don't have to add any ketchup or you don't have to serve it with any extra sauce or dressing because we have already loaded it with the mayonnaise and the mustard, and I'm sure it's going to be very tasty.